Badminton is a game when agility of brain as well as the body is very important, which is required for our work also. My role in the NCS as a senior project manager, where I am maintaining a couple of projects which is being executed for the different clients across the world.
Client will be very happy that we are deploying this thing as per their expectations.
We are working for a taxation system which is implemented for our entire country. It gives us a proud moment that our application is being used by the people of an entire nation.
So what is the status of the issue which client has reported?
The team which I manage is spread across few locations across globe.
Hi Adina.
Hi everyone.
They are having different kind of cultures, a different background and experience. And they bring across that knowledge, they support and contribute to achieve the project requirement. NCS has given me an open-ended platform to learn new technologies, learn new domains and skills. Join NCS and have an opportunity to work whatever is leading in the market and excel to your career.